If you're looking to launch a website, whether it's for your business, blog, or personal brand, you've probably come across the name Hostinger. But what exactly is Hostinger? And why do so many people choose it? Hostinger is one of the world's leading web hosting providers, known for delivering fast, secure, and affordable hosting solutions. With millions of satisfied users around the globe, Hostinger has built a solid reputation for helping people get their websites online, easily, and without breaking the bank. Click the link below to claim your Hostinger deal today. When you sign up with Hostinger, you're getting much more than just a place to store your website. You're getting a complete package designed to help your site perform at its best. Every plan includes features like a free SSL certificate, weekly backups, 99.9% uptime guarantee, and 24/7 customer support. That means your website stays secure, runs smoothly, and is available to your visitors anytime, anywhere. Hostinger also gives you access to an easy-to-use control panel, where you can manage everything with just a few clicks, from installing WordPress to setting up professional email accounts. Even if you've never built a website before, Hostinger's tools make the process simple and beginner-friendly. Speed is another big reason people love Hostinger. Their servers use the latest Lightspeed technology and are optimized for maximum performance. In simple terms, your website loads fast, which keeps your visitors happy and helps your site rank better on Google. And when it comes to pricing, Hostinger is hard to beat. Compared to many competitors, their plans are incredibly budget-friendly while still offering premium quality and support. You can choose from different hosting types like shared hosting, cloud hosting, VPS hosting, and even specialized WordPress hosting, all designed to suit different needs and budgets. Now, here's the best part. You can claim a special deal right now with up to 75% off on Hostinger's web hosting plans. Yes, up to 75% off. So you can start your website for just a few dollars a month. It's the perfect opportunity to build your online presence without overspending. If you've been thinking about starting a blog, launching an e-commerce store, or building a professional website for your business, there's no better time to get started. Hostinger gives you everything you need: reliable hosting, fast performance, and full support to grow your site from day one. So don't wait. Take advantage of this limited time offer and save up to 75% on your hosting plan. Click the link below to claim your Hostinger deal today and bring your website to life. Claim your Hostinger deal up to 75% OFF.